Hello friends, today we are actually giving you a how to track your upsolving like in code forces there are problem sets are there and there are filters problems are there like difficulties are there. You can get short in difficulty by what are the problem that you can actually add your tags like something like that if you want to only solve binary search. Okay, so just apply it and you will get it. Okay, but there is a one functionality that actually is not there, something like that in ad coder like this one. Okay, this is a website out there, and here every contest are there like ARC 1 and 8. Okay, if you go for any, there are a lot of websites are there, each sites and all or whatever the content, whatever the question that actually coming in this contest ARC 18 is very in a very organized way that actually question are given. Okay, if you solve this a reason become green. Okay, so even I not solve all the question, but yes, this is the way you actually your you can check your how many questions are you solve actually in each contest. Okay, like if I I participate in this contest ARC 118, and um I solve only ABC. Okay. After that contest, I actually want to absolve D. But and sometimes what happened, I forget. Okay. So it become very tedious to again to check or ARC 118, ARC 117. So it is very easy to check this from this site like at coder like okay, D is not done, D is not done, C is not done. So we have to solve it with sequence. We have to solve this up solving like this kind of the problem that I have not solved either right now. So in code forces, is there any websites are there like this ad coder? Okay, there are CF tracker. Okay, I have read one blog in from CF. I forget his name who actually built this API to use it. CFtracker.tech. Okay, CFtracker.tech. Okay, so it is very similar. It's not very functionality. It's not very stylish, but yes, features are there. Like you can submit your name, remember me, submit, and you can check like this ad coder like that. Okay, in this content like 7 7, I haven't solved each and every problem. So okay, I'll go for the C problems and I'll try to solve it. I am not solve it. So it is very easy to solve these questions. Okay, like I have solved two questions like here's B and C. We check it in B and C. I have solved it. So let's try to solve like D. I will upsolve D. So code for the 7110 div 3 I solve upsolving or div 3. So it becomes very easy to organize using this CF tracker tech. Okay, so it's very easy useful if you use it like this. It is very similar to like ad coder right now. So if you track your problems each contest it's very easy to solve uh, whatever the problem that you have left in contest, or maybe you forget after the contest. Okay, so so all the contests that actually in there, we just try to solve each and every problem from that. So you can you can actually see that okay, I have solved around ABC, but I actually forget D. So I will upsolve D right now. Okay, so this a thing that you can track your thing. Okay, so yeah, deep one there, like if you deep one, if you want to check deep one, like if you want to check deep two, you can only check div 2 or problems are there. Okay, or if you don't want to, if you want to cover all area, so you can check all. If you want to div 3 only, so here div 3 are from there. Okay, so you can track your problems. Okay, like here you get your reach this one. Okay, this problem. Okay, so you want to check it how you solve this problem. Okay, thank you. Okay, uh okay, bye.